Find or read reviews that people are talking about Dolphin Nia Sonar 50, Cordless Robotic Vacuum, Pool Cleaner. Why you should choose Dolphin Nia Sonar 50, Cordless Robotic Vacuum Pool Cleaner. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Power up, chill out. Meet Sonar 50, a high-capacity, fast-charge battery that delivers hours of cleaning magic. Cleaning Sidekick. A robotic pool cleaner that targets floor, walls, and waterlines of your pool with suction power and quad brushing system. Your secret helper. Cutting-edge sonar tech propels our robot through the pool using the most energy-efficient path to ensure a clean pool. App activated. Take control with a Bluetooth app. Ignite your pool cleaning marvel and pick cleaning modes. Introducing NIYA. A new brand by Maytronics, creators of Dolphin with 40+ years of pool robotic innovation. Nia brings you great performance, great value for endless pool enjoyment. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.